internet. It's Sunday, March 14th, and we're going off to Weeki Wachee Springs for a kayaking adventure. It's my first time going there because of COVID. There are some restrictions that have been enhanced for the park itself, but I'm excited. It's got crystal blue waters from what I've seen, so I'm going to take the GoPro out. You may see a mixture of different types of footage and quality, so I apologize in advance, but should be a fun day. We are on the we were on the Veterans. Now we're on the Suncoast Expressway, and we're headed off to Weeki Wachee. It's so sunny and bright. It's nice. I'm wearing a UPF 50 plus shirt from Amazon because it's gonna be sunny and possibly warm, and I don't want to get burned. So that's why this is on. But yeah, we're gonna have a fun day of kayaking. Two of our party couldn't make it due to issues, but we're still gonna go, and we're gonna enjoy the nice water. It's a nice day on top of it, so overall, excited.
Hello there, Junior.
We're on the river now. Sean's behind me there. There's Chris. There's Junior.
I just had a hard time slowing down after I took off. I was a little bit too excited, so I just like I pushed too hard.
That's the youth.
How do I stop it?